Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Tom's Tinkering Adventures. It's about 7 a.m., August 26th, and I got some pretty good sleep last night at my camp. Even though I had lousy neighbors, they partied all night long until about 3 a.m., and then someone got in a fight, got in a car and left. They quieted down a little bit, and then it started to rain, and then they finally shut up. So, another reason why I hate camping in campsites. Usually you're right next to people. I was a pretty good distance away, but still it was really annoying. It rained a little bit, and then it came down kind of hard, but there's a couple drops still coming out of the sky. But I do have a pretty nice view, a short walk away from my camp. There you go. There's a big dam here. Army Corps of Engineers is building up. Nice lake, I guess. My neighbors must have a boat out here. I walked down here this morning and went through this trail. You can't quite see it up here, but there's a sure way to turn a guy into a bumbling idiot when you walk through spider webs. So I shot a live video last night and I had pretty good connection, but it was getting dark. I was going to set up my tent on live video, kind of show how that goes, but maybe I'll shoot a video taking it down this morning. I'll take you through the path I took to get down here. Got to be careful, these rocks are slick. And I've already cleared out the spider webs, so y'all don't have to freak out when they hit the lens here, unless there's more that I missed. Yep, there, I already caught another spider web on my head. I'll pick up the trash someone else left. Oh, there's a spider web right there. Well, you can kind of see it right there. We'll avoid that one. There's some big spiders here. Oh, well, this isn't even the path. Well, now I gotta find the path. There we go. All right, so I kind of went down the wrong path a little bit there, no problem. Here we go. And there is the campsite. I'll get the camera set up and I'll take down my tent and get back to you. All right, let's see how long this takes. outside of the tent. And the ground cloth. So a little bit less than 5 minutes to take it down. All I gotta do is put it in the bag and I'm done. So there you have it. And through the magic of video, I get it all wrapped up, put away. You can see I'm suited up. Bike is all put together. Tent is safely in the dry bag. And I want to hit the road. I ride through Kansas on to Colorado Springs today. 500 plus miles. So please watch out for me and hope that the sky clears up, but maybe not too much. I'd rather get a little bit of rain actually than have that heat I had yesterday. But even though it's a little bit overcast and a few drops are still coming down, I'm already sweating it up in this suit. But it's not really that comfortable to stand around in. Once I start moving, the ventilation starts going. I'll show you on the sleeve here. So that mesh right there, you can see my skin through it. So there's a zipper on the arm, all the way almost up to my armpit. And there's, I don't know how well I'll be able to get this, but there's one on my chest here as well. Of course, on each side, you got that one here, both arms, and some vents on the back. So once I start moving, airflow goes through there, I'll be all right. So we'll see you along the way. So I've ridden about 400 miles through Kansas, about 15 miles away from the Colorado border, and about 160 miles away from my sister's house in Colorado Springs area. And once again, it is a hot day. It started out, a little bit rainy when I left camp. I got rained on a couple times, just a little tiny bit. And it was nice and overcast and cool, and that changed dramatically. It's got to be in the mid 80s today. Super bright out. And I'm just slogging my way through it. Trying to drink a lot of water and keep going. But I think I got one more gas stop and then I'll be there. So I'm cooling off a little bit here. Took my suit off and get a little air on my skin and drink some more water and keep going. So I'll probably get back at you when I get to my sister's house. All right, so I made it to Colorado Springs and it was hot almost the entire day. Like I said, it was raining a little bit this morning and then it was hot. And I got to Limon, Colorado, which is like 60 miles from here, and the sky has turned dark and it's talking to us. There was lightning. I got rained on just a couple of drops before I got here, but the motorcycle is safely in the garage. And my sister's here. And we have our we have our refreshments. We have refreshments. So I'm going to be enjoying a little bit of time here in Colorado Springs, relax a little bit, and then figure out my route home, which will probably be, well, I looked on the navigation, but I'm probably going to modify it. But
it's good to see him.
Yay.
We miss him so much. And wait till he sees the list that we have for him.
Yay, I always get to fix things when I visit, so that's okay.
He likes that.
I don't mind it. But anyway, the bike has been working good. Everything's working good. I'm tired. The interstate is terrible. I mean, I'm going to do my best not to ride on the interstate on the way home. But I know that my trophy wife needs me back. So get out there and find your adventure. Adios.